Want some nostalgic 90s style? Nothing comes quite as close as a solid New Balance sneaker. I got these because I wanted some cute summer sneakers that also were great for long distance walking. I walk to and from my kids' school, and I love that the moment I put these on, my feet felt completely supported and I could walk for miles. They have very good insulation throughout, and they do not rub my ankles or jab my feet anywhere. From the beginning, super, super comfortable. And they are quite cute, whether you wear them with 90s style straight jeans covering them or pull them up in capri style. So let me show you how that looks. I live in the Pacific Northwest, so I actually love the neutral colors on these because it will really hold up as they get dirty or beaten up. They'll still look good. And here they are if I had my pants down, straight leg, 90s style. Very much takes me back. They are a playful pair.